dear students, myself Krutika Patel from Samarpan Gyan School, Rata. Today we are here to learn class 6 English supplementary reader chapter number 2, The Friendly Mongoose. We all know who is mongoose. Mongoose is an animal, Nevla. It's called Nevla in Hindi. The Friendly Mongoose. It's a very interesting story. So let's begin with this story. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with their small son. They loved him very much. We must have a pet, the farmer said to his wife on one day. When our son grows up, he'll need a companion. This pet will be our son's companion. And his wife liked the idea. One evening, the farmer brought him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will soon be fully grown. He'll be friend to our son. So this is the paragraph of your textbook, and the orange color part, it will be your explanation. Both baby and mongoose grew. In 5 to 6 months, mongoose was grown to the full size. A lovely animal with the two smiling black eyes and the bushy tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternatively. Now what is cradle? झूला, जिसमें हम baby को सुलाते हैं. A small bed for a baby. So this is your textbooks part. Now there will be explanation to it. A farmer was living along with his wife and a small baby in a village. One day, and they were having a lovely child, and they both loved them very much. Now one day, farmer got an idea, and he told that we'll bring a pet in a house, and that pet will be our child's companion when they'll grow up. And the wife liked this idea. One day, farmer brought a baby mongoose, and both of them started growing up. But very soon mongoose grew up very fast, and the baby was very small that time. Baby was not fully grown up. The baby was still in the cradle. Now let's see what's further. One day farmer's wife wanted to go to market. She fed the baby and rocked him to sleep in the little cradle. Picked up the basket. She said to her husband, I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child alone with the mongoose. Now rocked. Rocked means to move or sway one side to another. Rocked him sleeping. You can see one-sided. Okay, and frankly means honestly. Now what's the explanation to this? One day the farmer's wife wanted to go to market, so he feed the baby को दूध पिलाया, okay, and moved child to sleep in the cradle, and took the basket, told her husband that baby is sleeping, don't leave the baby alone, look at him. And she also told that she doesn't like baby to leave alone with that animal, that mongoose. Now you don't be afraid, said the farmer. The mongoose is friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are best of friends, you know. The wife went away, and the farmer have nothing to do in the house. Decided to go out and take a look at his field not far away. He ran into some friends on the way back and didn't return for quite some time. Now what happened? Farmer told her wife that don't be afraid. The mongoose is very sweet as our child, and they both are very good friends, so you don't worry. Now wife went away to the market, and farmer was getting bored at house, and what he decided? He decided that let me go to the field. Field was nearby only, and so he went to the field, and on the way he met his friend, and so he got late, so he returned late. Now what happened? Farmer's wife finished her shopping and came back home with a basket full of groceries. He saw the mongoose sitting outside and as if waiting for her. Once seeing her, he ran to welcome her as a customary. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed, "Blood!" She cried. The face and the paw of the mongoose were smashed with the blood. So the farmer's wife came back with basket full of groceries. Now she noticed that उसने देखा कि the mongoose face and the paw was filled with the blood, and she shouted like it seems to be that mongoose killed the baby. She thought that it's her baby's blood. And "You wicked animal, you killed my baby," she screamed hysterically. She was blind with the rag. With all her strength, brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-stream mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. Now what happened? The mother thought that the mongoose killed the baby and she was in so much anger. वो इतनी गुस्से में थी कि उसने पूरी ताकत लगा के वो जो बास्केट था ऐसे बास्केट जो था पूरा पटक दिया मंगूस के ऊपर पूरी ताकत लगा के. एंड आफ्टर दैट शी रैन इनसाइड टू सी द baby in the cradle. And now what she found? The baby was fast asleep. बाबू आराम से सोया था. But on the floor lay a black snake, torn and bleeded. In the flash, she realized what had happened. She ran out looking for the mongoose. Now what happened? Now you see, like when she went inside, she saw that the baby was sleeping, Babu was sleeping, and what she saw, there was a black snake lying on the floor. Now she took a moment and she realized what might have happened. Snake might have come to attack the baby and mongoose have saved the life, and she understood the whole story and she ran out for looking for the mongoose. भाग के mongoose के पास गई and "Oh, you saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done?" she cried, touching the mongoose, who laid dead and still, unaware her sobbing. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared along at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby's crying. Wiping her tears, she went on to feed. Now what has happened? She realized her mistake and she started crying. She touched the mongoose, but mongoose was not alive. Mongoose was dead at the time because she has so harshly thrown the full basket and the mongoose could not bear that heavy bucket. The farmer's wife, who acted unthoughtfully in panic, डर के मारे, she was so much in anger and she could not regret now, and now it's too late to regret. This is the story all about. So you might have understood that mongoose was a true friend and we should not react when we are angry. So it was like the mother is too much caring of the child, we all know, but the reaction of the mother has killed the another baby of the same mother. What if it was an animal, but it saved the baby's life? And what's the moral of the story? That here we see that the lady became angry and with the rag killed the mongoose. She did not analyze the situation and initiated the action without the use of mind. She could have gone inside, seen what has happened to the baby, and then she could have come to the action. This story teaches us not to be angry and take action without mind. If something goes wrong, else we have to repent later, just like farmer's wife. We'll just have nothing to say, nothing to do, because the action which we have taken will be taken, and अफसोस करने के अलावा will not have anything. And so Here we come to an end of the story, The Friendly Mongoose. Go through the chapter once again. We'll come back with another video of the NCERT exercise. Till then, tata, bye bye.